Stir-fried Chinese cabbage with shiitake mushrooms, leafy green mushroom. Prepare ingredients. Shiitake mushrooms, 100 g. Chinese cabbage, 200 g. Shallots, 1 plant. Cooking oil, 1 tablespoon. Seasoning, vegetarian seasoning, pepper. Sugar, soy sauce, vegetarian oyster sauce. Backhand index pointing right, light skin tone. How to cook. 1. Separate the cabbage leaves, wash them with water, then cut them into bite-sized pieces. Or you can also leave the cabbage leaves intact. Wash the shiitake mushrooms with water, soak them in diluted salt water for about 10 minutes, remove them and drain, cut the mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. 2. Heat the oil, add the chopped shallots and stir-fry. Add the shiitake mushrooms. 1 tablespoon of vegetarian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a little ground pepper, and a little filtered water. Stir-fry for about 3 minutes until the mushrooms are cooked. Then add the Chinese cabbage. Add a little vegetarian fish sauce and stir well for about 2 minutes, then turn off the stove. 3. Serve on a plate and enjoy with white rice. If it's bland, you can add more soy sauce.